Hello everyone, welcome to our next topic. In this topic, we'll see how to create purchase entry in Tally. So our object and focus area, how to create purchase entry. So we have already created the company, stock items, purchase order. Now we will do the purchase against the purchase order. So let's move into the Tally and do that. So in Tally, we have to go to the voucher, click V. In voucher, you have to press F9 for purchase. We already in a purchase, so purchase. Now for date, we can take like we have placed the order on 2nd April. Name first Shweta Gupta. Now create the purchase ledger. We have already have a purchase ledger. If you so click on the purchases. As you can see, the purchase ledger in purchase under the purchase account. Okay, purchase ledger. Our stock is fan. So click fan. List of order number 1. As you can see, our order number is come. Now next one is LED. See order number. Now save this entry. One thing I have not shown you, the invoice number. You have to write the invoice number. Let's have written the invoice number and save. Next is the for next purchase entry is for LXY. Same 2nd April invoice number. Write the invoice number. LXY Limited. Enter, and then purchase. We have purchase order create for table fan and cooler. So table fan. Next one is cooler. Now save. So as you've seen how to enter the purchase entry against the purchase order. Now where we can see the purchase or purchase in display daybook. In daybook, as you can see your purchase entry. So I hope you have understand how to enter the purchase in Tally. So if you have any doubt or any question, you can simply drop a mail info@skillanything.com or contact in this number. Thank you so much.